Welcome to our van life with our three little dogs, episode 99. It's the last day of our trip coming from Alabama Hills to Death Valley, California. Join us as we show you around and give you a glimpse of what we do during the day. Thank you for watching. Leaving Alabama Hills, but we will be back. Look at those views. About to take on this little washout with a couple big rocks. Can you guess what line I'm going to take?
Everyone, we made it to Death Valley. We're gonna try to see where our campsite is supposed to be.
It's in Furnace Creek, so
this is Stovepipe Wells.
Yeah, Stovepipe Wells is the first stop.
And then, so as you can see, it's pretty busy out here. So we're doing a quick little pit stop, checking in at our campsite. This is spot number 71, Furnace Creek campground. It's basically slab camping. There are restrooms, water, and full hookups available. We got one that's just basic dry camping, and we're just gonna be staying overnight, making some lunch right now. And they do have a full fire pit available. It's up against their Furnace Creek golf course. Quick elevation check. We are at negative 181 feet. Honey Girl is exploring. She has never been here, just like Alabama Hills. I'm going to get out back into the park and do some more exploration, but this is February, mid-February, and it is mid-70s here in Death Valley, and it feels like summer. Hey everyone, so we pulled through our campsite and we're gonna stop and make breakfast for the moment since we are all hungry, and then we'll set up the van later. Right now we're just gonna get breakfast going and then we'll go out and explore. So Han Solo is checking the site out. I'm gonna get started since we are making avocado toast. Let's get this going. So I have the induction stove here, our little barbecue caddy. And GSS has all our kitchen stuff that don't need to be in the fridge. Just discovered that there is actually only one spot for garbage and recycling here at Furnace Creek, and it is right by the entrance. So I'm sure a lot of people just drop off when they're leaving, but taking a little walk to see what's what. So these are the bigger spaces, also dry camping, but a lot of the other pull-throughs up here do have water and full hookups. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We've just been lazy Sunday.
We are here in Death Valley National Park. We're gonna get ready to go out and see places.
Yep, we're gonna go to the couple spots that we didn't go to last time we were here.
And we currently, it is around 70 something out here. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. So we will show you around, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like inside our van when we're not doing anything. This is the current situation. We got Chewbacca, we got Han Solo and BobaFett. They're just sleeping. We have the AC on for a bit because it was around 80 degrees inside the van. Our current view. It is starting to...
That might be the first time that they're all sleeping next to each other like that.
Yeah. It's starting to fill up here in the campsite. So we'll get going. No one's next to us yet, but it's busy here. People walking around, enjoying the sight. Headed to Natural Bridge. No idea what's out here.
A bridge.
This is something you hike or you just drive through.
I think it's something you find out. So we drove up a pretty little crazy off-road called Natural Bridge Canyon. This is a hill right above Badwater Basin, which has the lake right now. And it's about a mile dirt road up, but man, because of all the cars, it is really taking a beating. But whew, look at that view. See some people coming up right behind me, but not too bad, just a little washboardy. And there's the trail right behind me. Check out if we're gonna be able to make it. No dogs, no drones, no bikes. So looks like it's 0.3 miles. Catching the sunset on the Artist Palette in Death Valley. Back in Furnace Creek, we're taking the doggies on a little walk. What do you think about Furnace Creek Campground, Pia?
I like it here.
What do you like?
It's open, it's clean, very organized.
Yeah, and would you say that February is a good time to go?
February is like perfect time to go. It's like mild 70s weather.
Yeah. Sun's down, it's not too cold and we're gonna enjoy having a little dinner. Okay, everybody, today we're doing ramen with the aid of a couple like specially made products for ramen. So we have the noodles, and we also have some broth from the same brand that I found in my local custom grocer. So this has soy ginger already infused. It was really good. Last time I did do some testing, kind of like it looks on the picture, with shredded carrots and soft-boiled eggs. Today we're going to keep it a little bit simpler. We're going to do chicken, onion, mushroom, bok choy, some green onion, and then right over the noodles. So we'll show you how it looks. All right, teriyaki chicken is done. We got the rest of the veggies in here working, soaking up all the rest of that sauce, getting a little steam action. And we will have that emptied and then toss in the broth and the noodles and ready to eat. Okay. Noodles are in. Again, 5 to 7 minutes in the broth. Broth turns out really good. Last time I did it, I did a little bit more than one box, but you don't need that much broth. It'll cook down quite a bit.
It's nighttime now. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening here in Death Valley, California, at our campsite at Furnace Creek, and we're winding down for the day. Sean is gonna make ramen for dinner. It's been a good day overall. Death Valley is such an amazing place. It is the biggest national park in the southern states. I think it's all 48 states. Anyway, it was a really good day today. We had a lot of fun driving around, although we didn't really do any hikes because we had kind of a packed day, and chihuahuas are gonna get settled for the night. They've had a really nice relaxing day as well.
Had a little storm rolled in last night. Rain just a little bit, not too bad, but we are definitely gonna have to pack up and get going because it's supposed to rain possibly a bunch today and this week. We're gonna pack up and get going and be leaving here on a fun trip to Death Valley and the Eastern Sierras.